Alright, let's talk about XRP, guys. Now, XRP has been taking some big pains in the last few months, but it's seemingly to slow down. So I'm going to give you guys my analysis about XRP, what my plan is, and a price prediction. Now let's get right into it, guys. So we are on the monthly, and you can see that when XRP hit this high, just about $2, it's been pushing back down, pull back up, push back down, and now we are currently at about 33 cents. Now, guys, when it comes to this crypto, we're going to zoom in a little bit more into the daily. All right, where's the daily at? Now, this is where the news is saying that XRP is pushing up, which I'll show you in a little bit. Yes, it is up, but I think that this crypto is not done going back down, and I think it is going to be heading a lot lower. Now, I couldn't be wrong, guys, but this is my plan. It's what I'm going to be setting up for getting into XRP. So I think it needs to head down a little bit lower just to catch this double bottom. I think a lot of people are also seeing that too as a massive buying point for a lot of people. And I really want to follow the money's ass, since I'm not a huge player when it comes to cryptocurrencies or just, investing in general. There's a lot of big hedge funds or bigger companies out there that can move the price a lot more than I can. A lot more. So that's what I'm going to be planning for. So yeah, it can reverse on the dime right now, but I see on the weekly that even now it's still pushing down to these lows. I think it's going to be doing a double bottom before heading up and reversing like this, guys. I think that it might head down just a little bit lower here, catch this into the zone to head it back up to higher highs. Now, if you're trading it like I prefer trading mostly over when it comes to cryptocurrencies in general. But if you guys are doing cash positions and you guys are just dollar cost averaging into XRP, you can look at buying now, buy a little bit lower, put it in places and buy limits. But if you want a tight entry and a tight zone, this is why that's what I'm doing right here. So let's go to the daily. So for me, guys, what I'm going to do is this. If it makes out to this, my price prediction is actually lower. I'm going to be going for 20 cents as a price prediction. That's temporarily. So if it goes down from here and hits the 20 cents, I'm not going to put a buy limit in just to get me into the trade. What I'm going to do, because what possibly might happen is that it might wick down really, really low and then push right back up, and that's where all the buyers and people catching people's stop losses, knock them out of their trade, possibly might happen. Like go ahead 20 cents, I'd be right in price prediction, but push down lower, knocking people out of their trades, and then heading back up, and then slowly building up, and then going back up. And then I can do an updated price prediction, because what I will do is this right here will be my zone for my first target profit. So I will be looking at doing a market entry around here or a buy stop after the move right here, just to give it some time to fill it out, because it might shoot down kind of like this right here. You see right here, and then shoot down lower, hitting that 20 cents, knocking a lot of people out of the trade. It's a flat number, and then pushing back up, and then slowly building up after time and building up higher. So that's my entry, guys. I'm looking at 20 cents on a buy stop after this entry right here, after this push back down, similar like to this. If we zoom back in a little bit, something like this. It might wick down a little bit lower right here and then push back up. See how it did something like this? So for me, if I saw this earlier, like over here, it pushed down, I would get in like right here on this candle on the buy stop. I'll head back down and I'll keep holding. So if it does that again, it heads down lower. Now, it doesn't have to be this low. It's just a show illustration that if it goes down, I'm going to enter again. I'm going to enter right here, and then possibly if it keeps building up orders, look like it's going to be building a new bull market, I might do a couple more entries in, and I'll definitely put my target profit, one of them target profits on here. So if it hits this price point anywhere through this point, I will move my stop loss above my entry, locking in my trades and letting the trade run. And that's my price prediction, guys, 20 cents. And if it goes up from there and builds this, I'm looking at least 60 cents. So tell me what you guys' thoughts are below. Let's get into some other details about XRP, guys. I can definitely help you out. They have a market cap of 16.28 billion, currently priced at 33 cents, on 1.596 million people's watch list. Number 8 on the list. What I like about this, guys, is that watch list. I have made other videos about XRP that I'm not going to show in this video, but when it comes to the watch list, it just gets more and more. And if people are watching this cryptocurrency, there's going to be a lot of movement, a lot of buyers in it, a lot of shaking and movers. So that's what I like about cryptos like this. Alright, if you guys want to get this crypto, it's on a bunch of platforms. This is in the top 100, so you pretty much can get it on any platform. Now, some information that's important, but it's kind of a little bit jaded because when it comes to the price, with these companies doing their reports, like Symmetry gave it a D as of December 31st. That's when the SEC is going through their stuff. And this company gave it a double B by Stable Outlook. If you look at Stable Outlook's information when they did it, this is October 18, 2018. So it's a little bit dated. So just giving you that 2 companies did review this cryptocurrency. Just letting you know they are dated. So if you guys know an updated one, let me know. But let's head back onto their website, guys. XRP.org. You want to learn more about this cryptocurrency? Check it out. If you want some updated news, go to the Twitter page. You got 2.5 million followers, huge followers base. Like, that's absolutely amazing. And if you want updated news, once again, but also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. Follow me on also TikTok too, guys. I do a lot of stuff about cryptocurrency on there. I go live once in a while, but just check me out on there. But let's head to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Now, if you guys want to learn more about auto trading, more about custom indicators, or some economy stuff, I updated a lot of the website, so please check it out. Make a free account, and we can talk on there, or you guys can just book a session with me or book a meeting. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's talk about XRP, and I'll see you guys on the next video.